Hello, today we are starting with the Home tab of MS Word. Okay, and first we will talk about cut, copy, paste, and this format painter. Okay, but before that we need some text. So again, I am using that command equal to RAND. Press the shift key from your keyboard, then this bracket by using the 9 button, and this bracket by using 0. Okay. After this, press the enter key. You will get these 3 paragraphs automatically. Okay, I am zooming it from here so that it will be properly visible to all of you. This one. Okay, now first of all, I will teach you how to select your text. Okay, before performing these operations, cut, copy, paste, we need to select the text. How we can do it? First way is simply by using your mouse, left click, continuously press the left and drag your mouse like this. Okay, and if you want to select all, move your mouse downside, so this thing. Okay, second way, if I tell you, you have to select all text in a single keyboard shortcut key. So for that we have shortcut keys Ctrl plus A. From your keyboard, if you press Ctrl plus A, whole text will be selected without moving your mouse. Okay. Next one is, if I tell you, you have to select only this first paragraph. So take your mouse pointer here. Look. Take to this corner and press. If you press single, you will select the first line. And if you press twice, this first paragraph will be selected from here. You have to keep your cursor in this blank area. Okay. Next way is, click here, press the shift key from your keyboard, and you have the navigation keys, or you can say arrow key on your keyboard. You can select like this. I am pressing the shift key plus this right arrow key. If I press the shift along with down arrow key, look, it will select like this, left and top. So these are the ways by which you can select your text. It is compulsory if you want to perform these cut, copy, paste. Look, right now they are not highlighted. As I select this, they will be highlighted. Look. So this one is most important. If you want to use these features, you have first of all select the text. Now second thing, suppose I want to select this. I have selected. Now I want to move this text from one place to another, anywhere. So for that I need to use cut and paste if I want to move this text. But if I want to create the copy of it, if I say I want to show this text here as well as here also, for that I have to use copy paste. Okay, I'll show you both the things, cut and copy. Okay, so first of all, I am selecting these 4 words. Now, as I press the cut key, as I do this, look here carefully. As I do this, what happens? Your text is gone. Okay. Now, suppose I want it here. So, first of all, you have to click here with your mouse. Then you can paste this. Now, look, it is moved from here to here. Okay. This is the way by which you can perform cut paste. Okay. Now we have one key, Ctrl Z, that is undo. It will help you to bring your text to previous position. Look, I have pressed Ctrl Z twice, so I am again on that first line where I have started. Okay, this is the way. Now if I say we have to do this cut, copy, paste, or you can say cut, paste using the keyboard, you don't have to touch the mouse. For that, click here, press the shift key and select all these 4 words. Now Ctrl plus X for cut. Shortcut key of cut is Ctrl plus X. If I do this, look, text is gone. Now I am not touching my mouse, I am bringing my pointer with the help of down arrow key, or you can say down navigation key. Now Ctrl plus V for paste. Okay, I have not touched the mouse. I am doing everything with the help of keyboard. So you can do it with your mouse as well as by using keyboard watch it again properly. Okay, they are important things. If you do your work faster, you have to use the shortcut keys. Okay, now next, again I am pressing the Ctrl Z. Okay, now I am selecting this second paragraph starting 6 words using mouse. Okay, now copy. Look, as I click on copy, you will not see any change. You will not see any change, but your text is copied. Now you have to click where you want to keep it. So I am keeping it here. Now I have to click on paste. Look, now this text is available here as well as here also. That is the use of copy paste. To create the copies, you can use copy paste, and if you want to move the text from one place to another, you can use the cut paste. Okay, now again I am using Ctrl Z. Okay, now again copy paste with the help of keyboard. So I am not touching the mouse. Look, I am selecting this word to change by using the keyboard's shift and right arrow key. Okay, now Ctrl C for copy. Okay, now using the down arrow key I am moving back downside, and now Ctrl plus V again for paste. Look, your text is here also as well as it is moved here also. That is the use of copy paste. Okay, this plays an important role in copy paste and cut paste. It will help you to do your work faster. Now next is Format Painter. Format Painter will help you to copy the formatting from one place to another. Okay, so for that I am showing you. First of all, I have selected this one, and by using this A text font color, I am applying the suppose yellow color. Okay, this one red is okay. Now I have applied the red color on this by using this one. Now if I say I have to copy this red color from this paragraph to this last one without using this, so no problem, you can use the Format Painter. For that you have to select this, click on Format Painter. Okay, now take your mouse pointer where you want to keep the formatting, just select the text like this, and you will see the formatting is copied. Okay, by using this you can copy any formatting, whatever. If you have made the text bold, italic, underline, whatever you have made, you can copy paste the formatting from one place to another. Okay, so in this video we have talked about the clipboard menu, or you can say home tabs clipboard group. These are groups. Look, clipboard, font group, paragraph group, styles group, like this. So in each and every video we will talk about them one by one. Font, then paragraph, then styles. Okay, so that's it for this video. Now we will continue this in our next video.